Welcome back. Right now, a Spokane oncologist is helping lead a national trial to help cancer patients. The clinical trial is not FDA approved, but could change the way those diagnosed with a non-Hodgkin's lymphoma receive treatment. And KHQ's Joe McHale has this story.
We were out of town at a family gathering and woke up the next morning and had large lumps on my neck.
John Holzer had no warning, no clue what it was, until the 2008 hospital visit where he learned the devastating news.
I had some nuclear medicine scans and was immediately diagnosed with non-Hodgkin's lymphoma.
It's a type of cancer that killed off the part of John's white blood cells that fight infection. After 9 months of chemotherapy, the cancer was gone. But a few years later, it returned. And after John's second remission, it was back for a third time.
You know, the thing is, it disrupts your routine of life because now you're, I'm sorry.
John is one of 14,000 Americans who are diagnosed with this specific type of non-Hodgkin's lymphoma called follicular lymphoma each year. Doctors say it's incurable, but not untreatable.
Usually after 2 or 3 options, we are really not left with much. So there is a real need to bring in new medicines that can treat follicular lymphoma.
Dr. Arvind Chaudhry of Summit Cancer Centers in Spokane is helping lead a new clinical trial for the treatment of follicular lymphoma. Currently, patients diagnosed with this disease undergo chemotherapy or an antibody through an IV, which can both have nasty side effects. But the new treatment would be administered through a pill.
And if patients can be treated with a pill instead of IV chemotherapy, that'd be fantastic.
The pill would keep the part of the white blood cells that fight off infection from going bad.
It has been shown to have promise in follicular lymphoma.
John is currently back in remission and hopes to stay that way. But if his cancer does return, he says he'd try new forms of treatment if it means living without his symptoms.
If it comes back, I'll deal with it, as I have in the past, but it's frustrating, but you adjust to it.
And now Dr. Chaudhry does say that before this trial pill is approved by the FDA, it must prove that it's effective and have benefits for the patients as well as manageable side effects. Right now, the Summit Cancer Centers in Spokane are enrolling patients for this clinical trial. Live in Spokane tonight, Joe McHale, KHQ Local News.
Thank you, Joe. If you'd like more information about this trial, you can visit our website at khq.com. All right.